Today I'll be replacing the ambient temperature sensor, which is sitting right behind the grill. So to access that, I'll need to remove the front bumper. Jack the car up, and the jacking point's right there. Set the car in jack stands. So we need to remove this splash shield here, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 8mm. And the anchor. And then we have this here. So we can use a pry bar in this one. Oops, that one got lost. Oh, there's one more. Looks like there is a 10mm right there. There. It's okay. That should come off. Okay. And along the bottom of the front bumper, you'll have some more 8mm holding this down. So on my car, I only see about 2, probably like 4 or 6 of them. Yeah, the clip's loose on that one. It's already disconnected from this piece here. So this come on. To disconnect this module here, you need to do the same on the passenger side, which behind it is the oil cooler. So yeah, so with this one here, same thing. You got one there. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and then you got this 10mm here. Yeah, so you got one there. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, so 5. The 5th one being the 10mm right here. And of course the one in the bottom, in the front bumper, there should be about 2. All right, on the passenger side, looks like we do need to remove these right here. So we only need to remove these two left inner ones, and then the rest of it should drop. Like so. Same thing here. Need to disconnect this light sensor, level sensor. So what's left to remove the front bumper? Again, disconnect the fog light. Looks like these are two 10 mils there. Bumper here on the side, it's actually an 8mm. But you do it what you got. Then on the top side you have T30s, 4 T30s holding this up. Screws. We need to remove these little covers here. This is actually like spring loaded. Tabs. Like so. Just kind of lift off on the side, like right here. Come off. The ambient temperature sensor is right under this, right here. There it is. Just reach under, press the tab, and that should release it right there. And there it is. And here is a new one. You can see there is a notch on one side, which coincides with the notch on the connector right there. And just plug it back in. And that's it. And that's how you replace the ambient temperature sensor. The hardest part was getting to it.